We must button. And then, whoa, shibadoo. Whoa, shibadoo. Whoa, shibadoo. Whoa, shibadoo. Wow. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So, me and my mommy, we went to Star Snacks today, and she drank a lot of coffee. Well, I guess not that much, just what she's allowed. She says under 300 milligrams, that's safe for me. Me right here, because I'm a breastfeeding baby. I do eat mama's milk. Yeah, I do. And then, so sometimes, I like to get my coffee too, so mama gives me a milk bottle. Yeah, with mama's milk inside, and sometimes I get a little bit of coffee, and then I'm up, and we have fun, and we party, and we laugh, and we play, and we boom, doop, 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 huh? And then I get squeaky time hiccups. Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! Whoa, you got some hiccups. You sound like a squeaker toy. You're just a squeaker toy. No, don't want squeaky toy? Okay, say, my name is Centella Sunshine, and this is my blog. Thanks for checking in with me again today. We're gonna do lots of baby stuff while I'm still a baby, and you get to know me while I grow up. So here, fist bump. Fist pump. Yep, fist pump with the baby. Okay, we're gonna sign off on our blog. Bye-bye now. We're gonna go now. Oh, we're gonna give everyone kisses. Give everybody kisses. Bye-bye now.